C6M rebuild. How about that? That's my 17th one. February 24th, 2024. CMU's here with the ATSF rail fan. 30 coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin. One of the Canadian Nationals. Release on Minneapolis. Florida 39 is highlights of the game lined up for you. Sophomore Manifest has showed up, and that was the new 3395. Decided to show up, and that's my 17. C6M rebuild already. See what this one is when we get back to get them. Ex-Citirail 3934. How about that? So that's going to do it for the M342 41 of the 23rd. And we'll do it for the new 3395 and the ex-Citirail of the 3934. And do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great evening. Merry Christmas to you. Happy holidays. See you next time. And hope we'll see you down the main line. CN Hayes out.